Hey friend, this is Lilo ready from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm creating this lead called Gotas, and it sounds like this. In context with sidechain. And if you like it, you can get it over here in the Serum 2 Techno Presets Volume 2 that you can find over here in the description below at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial. Let's initialize the sound, keep the shaper box deactivated, and just initialize this as you can listen. The first thing that we can listen is that its notes are getting on top of the other. So mono, legato, and to create a little bit of glide. Now, let's get started over here. BS to acid. Around here. Now, a bit more volume as well. That's good. Now we're going to go here. B. We're going to select analog acid. Octave down for both. Oscillator B, we're going to make it 3 voices. Blend a bit down just to make it a bit more mono again. We're gonna put this a lot down in volume. So it's pretty much just this layer over here. Now we're gonna pick the velocity, put it over here, and change it to something like this. So every note that we press sounds different considering how hard we press. Perfect. Now we're gonna go here into noise and we're gonna select a J 106 HP. Level all the way down, but envelope to the modulated. Something like this. Make this into a pluck. Really quiet, something like this, maybe even a bit more. Just supposed to be in the background. Now, envelope 1, sustain a bit down. A bit more release. So you can see how the notes release a little bit longer. And the decay a little bit smaller. A bit, tiny bit more attack. That's about it. Filter number 1, MG18, A and B. We're barely going to listen to anything because we're going to put this almost everything down. Now, envelope 1 is going to modulate this. We'll listen to a little bit. Velocity is going to modulate this. So now, the harder we press, the more open the cutoff is. And also, the velocity is going to modulate the resonance. Maybe a bit more. Why is the resonance so important, especially for these acidy kind of sounds? Listen to this. That's the sound. Now, to create a little bit of saturation, we're going to use fat, which is a bit of saturation before the filter. And a bit of mild distortion after the filter. Perfect. Filter number 2. Band 24. Resonance a bit down. And just N, just the noise. A bit up. Something like this. A bit of drive. We still can barely listen to anything. It's supposed to just be noise here. Why can't we listen to anything? Because we have to kind of modulate this. So instead of envelopes, matrix, note, random. So a completely random note is going to modulate the filter of filter number 2 in the bipolar manner. Something like this. And you can hear that sometimes you hear some. That's about it. Now we're going to go into effects. Distortion. This is going to have a lot of distortion here. But we're using a pre-mode. With a bit more. And a bit more over here as well. So we also have a bit of low end, but not as much low end as before. Now delay. Ping pong. 1/8. Dot. but we're going to focus mainly on the mids. So around here. And a bit more feedback. What is the feedback? Is how long this delay is going to hold. Now we're going to use reverb. But a smaller room. A lot less decay. How long it sustains the reverb and how long is the room size. But no low end in this reverb. And a bit more high end. And actually a little bit less wet. To make this sound a bit bigger, we're going to use hyper dimension. Put the mix all the way up the hyper. But just a tiny bit here. And to finish it, utility, mono bass. Something like here. A bit of high pass filter as well. And that's about it. Now, if you want to listen to it in context. But the coolest thing about the original preset is that it comes with a lot of modulations, a lot of mod wheels as well. So you can play around with these modulations and focus especially on creating your song instead of focusing on sound design. And you can get it over here in the description below. This is Lilo Ready from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.